John Perry, Clever Property Management. Just out here freezing in this tundra, wind blowing, coming off the mountain. Just a little, we always tell, Clever Property Management, always asking a professional. So here's a little pro advice. You find yourself in one of these. When you leave, shut the toilet top. Nothing worse than walking inside inside one of these animals and seeing a toilet lid open. So remember, be courteous, be respectful, be professional, and if you have a question, be clever, ask a professional.